guys. My throat hurts a little bit, but it's okay. I got fidget spinners, so I guess I got the sign. The other one, LED here. See, LED. And a gold fidget spinner. I've got it from JCPenney's. So I hope you're enjoying this. I might get some more. It depends on my stuff. So yeah. So bye.